Yaki Kubor ka Batisi TV.
Lawan ra asyapi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sansnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. Wan bantiet ya kakali Datsun Ready Go batamai kabas kem bat bidor.
Hakajing yekran bat kinong thok kubor hadin balawai ka dorbar senrai ka balalong menta kasngi ka santrik unaiweng arzar arpo Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jilla Konrad Kongkal Sangma Uloong baka Sorkar kala penkre lepa yeki jubab ki babiang hayeng dorbar bat baki letip leparu baka liang persya kala penkre lepa ya ki babon ki jinggeli ye ke Sorkar Konrad Uloong baka Sorkar kan ai ye ke jubab ka basai amtang ye ki jinggeli ka liang persya Henry kan airu ke jubab ka basai sekipaj ba hadin baki lemi bon ki jingkeno persya ye ke Sorkar hakini ki kendiat sngi ki baladab.
We are definitely prepared, and obviously we are aware of all the issues that are going to come up. So we are making necessary arrangements and ensuring that we are prepared to reply and answer to all the questions and queries. And I think it's a good opportunity for the government also to clarify on all the statements that are being made, because I think it will be clear, crystal clear on all the stands that we are taking. And it will be an opportunity for the government, as I said, to clarify to not just the opposition but the people in general about the situations that the opposition might bring out. Number one, both NEHU and IIT are independent bodies, so it's not the question of having say NEHU or IIT thing. What we are looking at is agencies that can quickly implement things. Now, in the situation that we are facing, there is a lot of challenges of people being traveling and coming in, so it is easier for us to move things faster with NEHU and with IIT. So keeping that in mind, we have not closed the option of having a third party, fourth party, or even fifth party, because as we've said very clearly, the safety and security of our people is our prime concern of the government. And therefore, whatever it takes, we will ensure that we go down deep and find out what the facts are. So NEHU is doing it, let them submit the report, it's good. And then IIT will do it, let them submit the report, it's good. And then third party will be coming in. So it's a process, it will continue, and we want to double ensure that people are safe.